y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amara Kalia and I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to be trying out this new extreme gel. If you've been following my channel, I've reviewed the first two gels by WETLINE XTREME, and I tried out the blue one and the clear one. This one is clear, but it has a blue top, and it's a few months old, I believe, maybe about a year old. I bought it months ago, like the beginning of quarantine, but I never tried it out just because I wasn't really wearing my natural hair out. But I'm finally trying it, so I'm excited. Keep watching and we will see how good this gel works on natural hair. Before we get started, make sure y'all go ahead and like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. I let my deep conditioner sit on my hair for overnight because my hair was extremely dry from the hairstyle that I had last week. So my hair is extremely soft, and I definitely think I should overnight deep condition more often. Okay, so actually in this video I'm also going to be doing a rubber band hairstyle because that is how I'm wearing my hair for the week. So I'm going to do basically the opposite of what I did to my hair last week. Like I said, if y'all been following my channel, y'all will know what I did. But basically last week I had my rubber bands on the edges of my hair, but this time I'm putting my rubber bands in the middle of my hair, and then I'm going to have the sides down. And the main purpose of me putting rubber bands in my hair is because I try not to keep my hair in my face because it makes my skin break out really bad. So I'm trying to keep my hair in my face while also wearing a hairstyle that's cute and will last me the entire week. So I'm just going to, well, I guess I should use this comb. I'm going to try to put a part in the middle that goes to the back. Don't know how effective I can do this without having a mirror, but we will see. Okay, so I'm gonna have this in about, I'm gonna choose between 4 to 6 rubber bands, and then I'm gonna have this out, and then I'm gonna have this out. So the product that I'm pairing with the gel is this Emerge cream, and I really love this cream. But first I'm going to put it on my hand and mix it with the gel to test it and see if they work well together. WETLINE pretty much works with anything, but you know, since this is a new gel, I just want to try it out. So I have them together and I'm just going to mix some like this. And it looks like they will work good together. They're not, it's usually if products don't work well together, they won't blend, they'll like kind of clutter up. So looks like these would be some good products, so I'm good in that area. So the first thing I'm going to do is the rubber bands, and I'm going to start by spraying it with water. And then I'm going to add the cream to the whole section. So I think that I just want to do four rubber bands just to make it, you know, more simple. So I'm just going to try to put as much of a middle part as I can. And then I'm going to take this part, comb it out. I'm going to add some of the wet line, even though I'm not trying to see if it's a good gel to lay down my hair. Since I'm already using it, that's just what I'm going to use today. And then I'm going to try to put this down in the middle. I'm using black rubber bands today. And then I'm just going to wrap this around as neat as possible. And then of course I kind of pull my hair so it can get tighter. And I'm just gonna do this on the other side. So I am going to connect, I'm going to crisscross them. So this one's going to go here and this one is going to go here. But first I'm going to comb these out. And when you twist them, when you connect rubber bands, you always want to like, sorry, I got little hairs everywhere. You always want to twist it because it just gives off a neater look. So you twist this one and then you connect it. Take your rubber band. And then you just do the same thing to tighten it. Alright, so y'all see my rubber bands and they are very, very cute. I don't know if I'm going to put this like in a bun or if I'm just going to let it out with the rest of my curly hair. But let's just get to the part that y'all have been waiting to see. So starting in the back, I'm going to just spray this section with water just to get it detangled. So now I'm going to add the cream first. Okay, and then now we're gonna add the gel, and we're gonna see what it do to these curls. Yes, ma'am. I feel like all of the wet lines are really great gels. Like, I've pretty much never had a problem with the gels. The only thing that I have been concerned with is like when it makes your hair hard, but I found a way to alleviate that, and basically you just take a oil maybe like the next day or later on in the day and just put it on top of your hair, or you can do it right afterwards, and that'll help like take away that crunch. But as y'all can see, it really defines my curls, and it works really well with the cream. This actually looks amazing. Like, I'm in love. And I didn't have to add too much. So y'all, I think this gel is a 10. 10 out of 10 would recommend, period. Like, my curls are fire. And you don't have to add too much to make it hold your curls or define your curls. One thing I will try for y'all is I'm going to put the gel on this section, well, this part, without the cream, just to see how the gel works by itself, because I know the other wet lines, they work good by themselves. So I'm gonna see how good this one works. So all I did was spray some water on it, and now I'm just gonna take the gel and apply it. And as y'all can see, it still works pretty good without the cream. I mean, like, really good without it. So you can go either way with the gel. Now, me personally, I like to pair my gels with some type of like moisturizer or cream, because I have high porosity hair, so my hair gets dry really fast. So I like to have a moisturizer just to keep my hair from being extremely dry from using just gel. So you can go either or depending on what you prefer in your hair porosity, but I would recommend pairing it with some type of either leave-in conditioner or cream. So for these two pieces, I think I'm going to add the gel to this so it can lay with the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to take some gel and just work it through it. and hopefully it'll blend with the rest of it. Like such. Okay, and the final thing I'm gonna do is take my edge control, just a little bit, my edge brush, and put a tad bit on. Once again, y'all know I am not a beast with the edges, but I'm trying. See, it's a little something. Alright, so I guess we can vote that this gel is a rated 10 out of 10. I can move my hair, it's not stuck, it's not stiff, it's perfect. I'm sure when my hair dries, it's gonna be a little bit, what's the word, shrunk, but you know, it's fine. I'm not one of those girls who care about that. You know, as long as my curls are popping, I'm good. So yes, I recommend going to buy this gel. I believe I got it from Target, and if you know WETLINE, you know that they're not expensive. That gel was no more than $4. And I also got this Emerge product, which I am a diehard ambassador for this, unpaid ambassador. Emerge, if y'all looking, please send me some more of these because I love these. I bought them Target. I believe it was like $6 or $7. Not too expensive, but it is a great buttercream that helps define your curls and moisturize your curls. So yes, if you guys want this gel, please go to Target. I'm sure it's probably at a hair store, but yes, y'all see that it works. Follow my Instagram because I probably won't wear my hair like this. I probably will eventually, like when it's dry and puffy, I might put it in a little bun with my satin scrunchies, or who knows, I might try to be creative with it. So yes, thank y'all for watching. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'm out.